You must have heard people saying they get their best thoughts while walking. And that is not a magic, not even a coincidence. It's a science-backed system. We walk every day without thinking about it. But what happens when you intentionally walk daily for an entire week? Not running, not gym workouts, just simple walking. Because these simple habits affects your body in ways most people never realize. And one of the biggest changes does not happen in your legs. It happens inside your brain. If you want to know what 7 days of walking can do the magic in your body, then watch this video till the end. And don't skip any part, because on day 4, something changes that you won't even expect at all. So let's begin. The first day feels easy. You start walking normally, maybe in a park, maybe on a road, maybe after dinner. And at first, nothing feels special. But after 15 to 20 minutes, your body slowly wakes up. Your blood circulation improves, your breathing becomes deeper, your body temperature rises slightly, and mentally, you feel strangely refreshed. That's because walking instantly increases blood flow and movement throughout your body. Even one walk can change how your body feels. But the second day is where most people begin noticing the first real difference. On day 2, walking starts feeling easier. Your body does not resist movement as much, and something interesting happens. You may start craving less junk food. Your mood may feel more stable, and your body feels less stiff. Do you know why? Because walking is not just an exercise. It's a movement your body was designed for. Nowadays, sitting for long periods slows your body down, and walking reverses that. But day 3 is where the mental changes become more noticeable. Because by day 3, many people notice something unexpected. Their mind feels calmer, their stress feels slightly lower, and overthinking becomes quieter during walks. And that's because walking helps reduce mental tension while increasing blood flow to the brain. And that is why many people say they get their best thoughts while walking. Have you ever noticed when life feels overwhelming, going outside for a walk somehow makes things feel lighter? That's not imagination. Your body responds positively to movement. But the biggest physical change usually starts around day 4, and most people don't expect it. So by day 4, your energy begins changing. You may wake up feeling less lazy. Your body feels more active during the day, and walking starts feeling less like effort and more like routine. And this is important because when healthy habits stop feeling difficult, they become sustainable. And walking regularly can help in improving your stamina, circulation, and overall activity levels. But day 5 is where many people begin noticing changes around their stomach area. Now, let's be honest, walking for a few days won't magically remove belly fat, but many people start noticing less bloating, lighter digestion, and less heaviness after meals, especially if they walk after eating. And do you know why? Because movement helps the body process food more efficiently, and staying active burns more energy than sitting all day. But the most surprising effect of daily walking is not physical. It happens mentally by day 6. When walking starts becoming your quiet time, no pressure, no noise, and no competition, just movement. And many people notice better mood, less stress, and improved sleep. This is why walking is often recommended for both physical and mental health. Remember, simple movement can affect stress levels, sleep quality, energy, and focus more than most people realize. But day 7 changes something even more important, and that is your mindset. After one full week, you may not look dramatically different, but you will definitely feel different. And that's matter a lot. Because now your body remembers movement. You feel more active, less sluggish, mentally clear, and physically lighter. And most importantly, you have proven something to yourself, and that is you stay consistent. Most people think transformation starts with motivation, but real transformation starts with repetition. Simple habits, repeated daily, that's what changes your body over time. So, for the next 7 days, walk every day, no extreme workouts, no pressure, just walk and observe what happens to your body and your mind, because sometimes the simplest habits create the biggest changes. Subscribe this channel if you want to lose more weight by simple, low-impact exercises. And 2 of the videos must be popping up on your screen. Click on it and see you in the next video.